David Ronnefalk, world champion. Your dreams must have just come true.
Yeah, I mean, I'm super happy right now. This is what I've been looking for to get since I started racing, and finally everything came together at the right time here in Vegas. So, yeah, I'm super happy. I still can't believe it. I have not so many words other than I have to say thank you to a lot of people out there. I don't mention anybody to not forget anybody. So, yeah, but I'm super happy, and it's a super good feeling. It's the greatest feeling so far in my life, and no words.
Talk us through those closing stages or those moments where you must have had a few flashbacks to finals you've maybe lost in the past, but this time it came good.
Yeah, I mean, I came in front pretty early in the race, so after that I knew that as long as I stayed the most consistent out there, I was gonna be able to pull away, and I did so slightly. I had a lot of speed in my car, but it was also I felt super comfortable with it. So it made it a lot easier, as well as the other ones behind. They were battling for the position, so kind of helped me to check out in the front. And I think at one point I had almost 30 seconds a lap. In the end, I was driving pretty carefully, just not to wreck the car in any jump or so, to do any stupid thing. In the end, I was just controlling the race, and I heard the gap every time I passed the loop, and I just managed it to stay in front, and I'm super happy for that.
You've had, looking back over the last 8 days of the World Championships, you set the pace in practice over 3 laps, then had a bit of a slow start to qualifying, but it seems since Q3 onwards, where you TQ'd, it's been a bit of a crescendo. Would you agree?
Yeah, I mean, of course. My car was really good already in practice. I was able to TQ that, and just first day of qualifying, it was kind of a bit like rough for us, starting in the first heat, the new track in the morning, and also after the lunch break they decided to water it quite a lot, so it made it a little bit slower for our heat compared to number 2 and 3. I knew I still got an 8th of the first day of qualifying as a position that I could count for the overall. For the next 4 rounds I knew I was gonna have a more consistent track, more similar to the other heats. And after already in Q3, it felt really good. I just made one mistake too much, and I got an 8th. After that, TQ round 4, and got 2 second places in the final day of qualifying. So from I would say middle point of qualifying, I felt really good with the car, and everything was coming along very nicely. And I just worked on that pace, and I didn't change a lot. I didn't change anything on the car after Q4, basically towards the end of the final. So I'm super happy with the car and everything.
So what happens now? Las Vegas tonight. You're obviously, according to the US drinking laws, underage, but I'm sure we can fix that.
Yeah, we'll see. That's a pity. I can't go out and celebrate this win right here. I think we need to find some way to do it anyway.
I'm sure there'll be a lot of friends and teammates that are willing to buy you a drink.
Yeah, I hope so. That's what they said so far, so I'm looking forward to it.
Well, finally, to wrap up here at the 2016 IFMA Worlds, congratulations, David. It must be, the highlight so far of your career. I mean, I remember witnessing with Neo Buggy back in 2009, coming on the scene, winning the Euro B. 7 years later, here we are, world champion.
Yeah, I mean, I got 2 European champions under my belt so far. I've got second twice there. This year I had a really good chance on winning it. Unfortunately, I had to retire with a couple of minutes to go. And that's basically how my year so far has been. I had a lot of bad luck, I feel like. I was always there to challenge for the win and for the top 3 spots at least at every race. I just worked super hard for this event, making sure all my equipment was running the best, and it just came together at the right point, and today was my day, I guess. It felt really good when I woke up this morning, and I was just building on that, and the final just went my way.
A case of you win some, you lose some, and you won big here in Las Vegas tonight. Congratulations.
Thank you.